What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little different because we're working on a part of a vehicle that is not on a vehicle. So we got this spoiler here. It's off of, I think it's for a Honda Civic if I understand correctly. So it is new as far as I was told, but it does have some stuff like this going on. So you can tell it is the cheaper the cheaper one. So might do a little bit of sanding just to make the customer's end result better. We're going white with black on the bottom. So yeah, the side pieces are gonna be all gloss white on top, and then from here, this line here, underneath, and then till here, customer wants black. Let's take it apart just to make it the easiest. All right, so we got this disassembled. Now I'm gonna wrap the bottom piece first. We're gonna do some knifeless tape here. We're gonna run knifeless tape on the top here, and then on the same thing on the other side, and then I'll wrap around these edges. Even though this won't be seen, but I'll just wrap the edges so it's a nice clean finish. All right, so got my knifeless tape all laid down here, all the way along. So now I'm good to go ahead. I've cleaned it already. I'm gonna flip it over to the back side. We're gonna start wrapping. Okay, so apparently I forgot to start recording before I just peeled the liner, but we got the gist of this big piece laid down. The main back piece here. Gonna go ahead and start working this area here. Try wrapping these edges nicely here. Just gotta do this one right here, and then we gotta do these edges for those corners. I'm just gliding my blade along the inside edge here. So I already wrapped it inside here, so that piece will nicely fit in there and you will never see any edges of the wrap. Take your finger, push down on with your finger, and pull with this finger. So what that does is that releases the liner, and when you come to the edge of the film, I always put my finger there, give it a little tug, and after that you're good to go. Good angle, say about a 40-45 degree angle or sharper. You don't want to go straight up like this because then you're going to be pulling up on the film too much, lifting it up. And then come there, and we're done. And after that, you just got to push down that edge again, make sure it's all laid down properly. There we go, nice clean lines, cleanly wrapped edges. So now we are going to go ahead and start wrapping our white. So we're gonna lay the knifeless tape along this edge again, but we're gonna lay it a little bit past this edge, or so we overlap this corner. So we're not on this seam, so we have another seam here. You'll only see one. It'll be nice and clean, I'll show you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off a piece. We're gonna measure out what we need and then go like another 2-3 inches because we do have this curve and because we wanna wrap around a little bit. Get it tacked down. Wrap gloves is definitely one of those tools that I think every wrapper needs to have. If you don't have it, you better get it because they are such a handy tool. Those curves, I mean, you can easily do them with just a nice flexible squeegee like this. But man, with a wrap glove, just something about a wrap glove just makes it so much easier. It just glides. So we can see that knifeless tape line. Okay, so that's as far as we need to go there. A little bubble there. Next, you got it all wrapped around. Now we can come back and pull that down. And then we can come and pull. There we go, just like that. We have nice clean lines. I have now tried this piece once. I'm going to show you guys here what I'm talking about. So you guys can see that. Sorry, my camera's dirty. There we go. So I did this whole piece as one piece, this whole section. But then because I was having to hold it while doing it, I had some issues with so because I had to hold it while I was doing it, I had issues where I accidentally ripped it short here when I was trying to stretch. It's stretched too much, something weird happened, and I ended up ripping it too short. So obviously that's not going to hold up well. So what I am going to do is I am going to redo this, and I've made this little jig to hold this piece. So we are going to try doing it in one piece again. If that doesn't work, then we'll end up having to seam it. but we're gonna try to get in one piece on this little jig that I made. All right, so I actually gave this a third attempt. After my second attempt, I ended up having a little tiny pinhole in the vinyl. Not sure how it got there, but so we're on attempt 3 now. We've got our knifeless done on this edge here, and then this side right here we got this little inlay. We got to finish tucking that in, trimming there, and then if you come around here we just have to tuck this stuff here underneath and then trim that, and then a little bit trimming over here, and then we'll be good to go here. So happy that this worked out to do it in one piece like that. Alright guys, that's just a fuzzy. So we got this piece all finished up. It's only a few pieces, like this back piece is a piece, and then all the way around here, that's one piece, and then we've got a separate piece down here, and then an inlay in here, which I did first. So there we go. We got to put the bracket back on here, and then put it back onto this piece, and then we'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. That is a finished product, spoiler wrapped, black and white, gloss black and white. It's a heck of a lot better than the flat black primer that it was in before, and that wasn't done well. I'm guessing that was from factory, but let's give you guys a little walk around here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. No, I didn't get every detail of everything, but try to get better at that. So yeah guys, please give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below. What do you guys think of this color theme? The black on the bottom, the white around the top, and then the white on the sides. This is going on a white car, so I think it should look pretty crispy. So see you guys in the next video.